Next, I'm going to show you how to replace the thermistor probe. And the first thing we'll do is remove the screws that go into the P-clamps for the harness. Once those are removed, we'll cut the zip tie. And then simply pull the probe out from inside of the evaporator. Next, we'll remove the thermistor probe wire from in the P-clamp. And once that's done, we'll have to remove the cover off the control board or control box. Once that's done, we'll remove the stress relief from the control box. And then slide the probe wire out of the stress relief. Next, we'll cut the zip tie around the harness. And then simply unplug the thermistor probe from the control box.